Welcome to the video tutorial on how to automatically connect PPPoE on Windows computers. First, you create a new PPPoE connection on your Windows computer. Then you download these files in the description section. After downloading, edit the file named AutoConnect. You update your PPPoE connection name. Next, you update the username and password. With this method, you do not need to connect to PPPoE manually. Every time your computer logs into Windows, a PPPoE connection is automatically established. After saving the changes to the file named AutoConnect, create a new task so that every time the Windows computer starts, the PPPoE connection will be established. The setup steps are complete. It's time to check the results. I restarted my Windows computer and waited for the results. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck. The PPPoE connection established automatically, just what I expected.